In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel banner using Canva. Creating an eye-catching banner is crucial for making a strong first impression on your audience, and Canva is a fantastic tool to help you achieve that. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open Canva, which is an intuitive design platform that offers a wide range of templates and tools. If you haven't already, head over to canva.com and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. Here, you'll want to locate the Create a Design button, which is typically positioned at the top left corner of the screen. Give that button a click to get started. Next, a search bar will pop up. In this bar, type in YouTube banner and press Enter. Canva will then present you with a variety of templates specifically sized for YouTube banners, which are optimized to fit perfectly across different devices. It's important to remember that the banner is the first thing people see when visiting your channel. So take some time to select a template that reflects your brand's personality and the type of content you offer. Once you've chosen a template that catches your eye, click on it to open the editing interface. This is where the fun begins. Canva provides a plethora of tools to customize your banner. You can change the text, fonts, colors, and even upload your own images or logos. If you have specific brand colors or imagery, make sure to incorporate them for consistency. The goal here is to make your banner not only visually appealing, but also a true representation of your channel. After you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your masterpiece. Look for the Share button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Clicking this will give you a few options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Download. Choose the file type that you prefer, though PNG is commonly recommended for its high quality, and then hit the Download button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a YouTube channel banner using Canva. Now, all that's left is to upload it to your channel and see how it enhances your page's overall look. Remember, a well-designed banner can make a significant difference in attracting viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content on enhancing your creative projects. See you next time.